Hey there, fellow Dark Knights. Here's how to increase or maximize FPS in LEGO Batman: Legacy of the Dark Knight. If you're experiencing massive frame drops while playing the game and the low frame rate is affecting your enjoyment, then you might need to lower some of the graphic settings. To do this, head over to the game's main menu and click on Options. From there, go to the Video tab. Let's start with V-Sync. Turn it off. Then set the frame rate limit to something close to your monitor's refresh rate. Under Graphics, you can choose Display Calibration to let the game automatically select balanced settings that your PC can handle, but it's not always the best option. If you want to configure the settings manually, set anti-aliasing to off. Doing this makes edges look a bit more pixelated, but it can improve performance significantly. If your computer has a dedicated graphics card, you can use upscaling methods like DLSS, FSR, or Intel X ESS. These technologies render the game at a lower resolution and then upscale the final image to improve FPS at the cost of some visual quality. Choose the one that matches your GPU's brand. Then set the upscaling quality to Balanced, Performance, or Ultra Performance, as these options generally provide higher FPS. For frame generation, you can leave it disabled or enable it depending on your personal preference and GPU model. Next, under Graphics Quality, set everything to the lowest setting. While this may reduce visual quality, it can make the game run much smoother. Skip the camera settings and lower most of the full screen effects as well, especially motion blur, weather effects, repeating visual effects, bloom, and screen space ambient occlusion. After that, return to the main menu to automatically apply the changes. You may also need to restart the game for all settings to take effect properly. Then, launch the game again and see if performance has improved. You can still go back to the settings to make some adjustments again until you hit that sweet spot. If it's still sluggish even after lowering the graphics settings, it may mean that your computer isn't powerful enough to run the game smoothly. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.